Another wedding proposal gone wrong. Men, when una go get sense for this life? When? Now so this guy go do proposal. He say today na today oh. Say na today I go propose to this woman where I love all my life. He go with the ring, man. My people, the girl say no. The only the guy come dey cry when the girl say no. We come dey wonder say abeg o, na simple no wey dey tell this guy dey make her dey cry like this. Abi another thing dey behind this matter. Because they don turn many people down. How come this one own come dey different? If una still cry. Now so we can't find out say the boy even open mouth tell us because we dey wonder. The boy can't say una no go understand o. Say this cry where they cry. I don't suffer for this girl. Say he go do wetin they call that thing money rituals with him manhood in gundus. He use him gundus do money rituals because of this same girl wey turn am down. And now the girl come dey ask am say abeg o, if we marry you go give me pikin, you go give me pikin. Abeg for una no say una don dey salivate, so for una wey no know wetin dey happen now. Join me make we watch the video.
Say yes now. Say yes now.
Say yes. Just accept you.
What do you want? Like, are you okay? Stand up.
Are you okay? Say yes.
Say yes now, babe. Why you like this?
Guys, I mean, this guy.
Stay by for you.
Stand up.
Don't do like that. No, Alpha, chill. Chill. Come on, what you doing, sir? Calm down now, because of who that get beat. No, this girl. I exchange my mouth for money for this girl, but now God. Betty, God, help me.
Abeg. Abeg. All of una wey dey shout. Say yes. Say Biko, make una take una time o. Una hear say person gundus don disappear. My sister, no be small relationship o. Please, allow me this girl say her no in peace. If na you go say yes. She say no, na her no. Na she wear shoe, na she know how the thing. Na she know how that thing dey pain am o. I no fit. We know which kind level of love. I don't even know why even they call am love. Which kind level of stupidity go make man go you? Wait, I no just understand. Because of woman, you get. Hey. No, seriously. That thing where people they talk say your village people, that thing they work. E get power. This guy village people they don't over succeed on top in head. The guy even they ask him, you go give me children? Will you give me children? How you go marry when you no go born pikin? No, make una answer me. How you go marry? No wonder now even they understand all those marriages where you see say the man no fit impregnate the woman, where their in-laws go come they shout. Make una check them well. Sometimes no be women be the problem. No be women be the problem. Most of the times now men eager to make money, they go secretly go do something. The wife no go know. Then the in-laws go come house, they insult, they maltreat the wife. See this one now. No, see this one when I just watch. You consciously go meet Babalawo. Say you donate, in fact, you offer your gundus to make money so that you go and marry this girl. Oh yeah, after you marry the girl, after you make money, you marry this girl. Una no fit. Una this, I know understand. Una this say marriage, una go just sit down for house. Yes, I do. Put ring. Una sit down for house. They look each other. Honey, where come from work? Honey, what will you eat? Honey, this thing is ready. Honey, let's have sex. Honey, let's do this. Now the only thing una go dey do. No children. This girl will say no. See, your oil plenty. Imagine say this thing work. Maybe they even use jar safe so that the girl go say yes. Your spirit is strong, my sister. Imagine if this girl say yes, then by the time they marry now, her eye open. It don't finish. It don't finish. But now my question be say, abeg, this gundus wey this guy sacrifice. Now be say, e no get gundus pata like nothing dey there, or the thing dey there but e no fit produce. Which of them? Because I dey try understand. We no go marry where our wedding night, you no go, nothing dey there. How we go? You understand? Hey! Oh man! So people feel foolish to highest level. Foolishness. In fact, this guy don already dey stupid when malaria come add on top. Now wetin dey worry you? And for now wey dey outside, wey money don blind una eye, all in the name of money. Tomorrow now una go dey call devil go dey in own palace dey chop pizza, una go dey call am. Is the devil that did it? Is it? As you don say your manhood now, did she marry you? Okay, may we even assume say the girl would have said yes. May we just assume, yes I do. They come marry, everything can happen. Ngwanu. The girl can consider you. You don't know say after a while this girl go still leave you. She go tire for your matter, my brother. Because see, no woman in her right senses go marry person wey she no go even born. Who no like better thing? Una think say everything na money. Una go chop tire, una go tire, una go na travel, una go tire, una go eat chicken, una go tire. Everything when I want do wey concern money, una go tire. See, children are the biggest investment we una fit get for this life. Your children, no play with them. Because e get where you no go reach, na them go reach. E get where your money no go fit enter, na their own. See, make sure say children are important. Wetin una dey tell me? You go say something, you dey come. I just dey hope say you go live with this thing for the rest of your life. So that in your next world where they come, you no go because of woman go say. Abeg, my people, some kind matter, e dey tire me. Like I don't. In fact, I don't over laugh. The matter self don't tire me. Foolishness in highest order. For una wey dey watch, you know say you be man. Abeg, no try am. No try am. Make sure, see, look for normal work, save money, marry. No be even by force to even, I know that's how much you want spend for the wedding, wey even make you go say that thing. Okay, you want make your wedding talk of the town. They go there for newspaper. You go there for, in fact, they go even hear that for America. Say the first man to marry. No, which wedding you want do where people never do before? Now inside aeroplane, they don't do one. Which one are they ask? So that I go try understand your own side of the story. Now people like you go marry. After you marry, now problem everywhere. My people, now the matter be this. Now the matter be this. He that has ear, let him hear. I no go talk past this one. So I beg, make sure say you subscribe, comment, share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey happen. If you no subscribe, how you go get matters like this? Very, very important. No alas. I beg, just click on that thing. Click and break that bell so that you understand. You go dey over notified whenever you get serious matters like this. Stay tuned for our next thing.